Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? It's your boy, Wex FX Chat. In this session, I'm going to be taking us through the breakdown of the trade I took today, how I was able to make about 13 grand trading gold. So without wasting much of your time, let's zoom in straight into the breakdown. Yeah, this is my chart, MT4. We are on the daily time frame. So first of all, what did I look at in respect to the trade I took? Well, so first of all, when we came in the morning, so you can see yesterday closed bullish. So we're somewhere here in the market as at the morning hours around 6:17:67 price area when I did an analysis sending to my VIP group about my expectation on gold. So basically what I did is this, looking at this bearish candle, the Mbarabuzu candle, we're looking at 50% of it. Basically 50% of the Marabuzo candle always or most at time acts as a resistance or as a support depending on the direction or market direction. So in this case, we were expecting price to push higher. So we took the 50% up to 61.8 percent as our zone. So this is what I did. So this became the targeted zone. That was the analysis done earlier. So we step down to H4 and see what it looks like. So on the H4, so you can see on the H4, here we were on this particular candle. So let's go down to H1. So we had a target already where we are expecting price to get into. So basically all what we were doing was just to wait for the time. So on the H1, it's simple. We just follow the market structure. So you can see what is going on here. The higher high created here and a higher low. So the expectation, we expected this particular highs to be breached. So which means the expectation was for it to breach into the zone that we drew earlier. And on the H1, we had to fine tune our zone by recognizing this particular supply zone. So you can see that was an extended zone we had based off the H1. So this were just guides to give us direction where we are expecting price to push to. If it push through this zone, the next obviously is going to be the supply here, and we cannot go further beyond that in terms of holding the trade. So these were the targets in terms of directional bias that we had in mind or had projected. So having this, all we did was to wait. So we zoom down to our M15 at the appropriate time. For you to know the timing, you have to join our VIP group for you to be able to understand the time. So now on the M15, it became very clearer and easier. So you can see there was a correction. So all what we're expecting, remember on the H4 on the daily, we are expecting buy. So we got a direction already clear. So all what we were waiting for was just for the appropriate time to jump into the trade. So we jumped into the buy at exactly this candle. This particular candle is where we jumped into the trade. This candle. So that at the close, let me just get this straight. This candle. So at the close of this particular candle, then we now jumped into the trade for the buys. So that became our entry, and our stop loss was just around that area, and our target was the first I think 75 area. So you can see that's the upper boundary of our first zone. That is where we were targeting with respect to our TP, while we left the rest to run. So this is basically just if I might say, a breakdown of what some of the things I took into consideration before picking the buys. Like I've said, as you can see uh, on the charts, the picture showing right here on your chart, you can see the entry, and you can see the money that we were able to make from that trade. So immediately we took that trade. As you can see, price pushed. First of all, it pushed in our direction. I think let's see how many pips we had there first, because this was our entry. So we had about 33 pips in our favor, then price dropped about 12 pips against us, and therefore then pushed 130 pips in our favor. This is something we do on a regular basis. So it just boiled down to having the right skill sets. Please don't forget, if you like the content, please smash the subscribe button. Help us grow this channel so that we can be dropping more content, educational content that is going to be helping, and it's going to be helping you and each and every one of the traders out there in their trading career. Please also like and share the content. Thank you very much. I'm going to be handing it here. We'll be dropping more insane content. If you have questions, if you have anything, contribution, please make sure to drop it in the comment section. Thank you.